In online commerce, e-commerce, or online business, you never face your customer directly. You are always doing this through a layer called the search engine or the platform. SEO means search engine optimization. In plain English, it means I want to be searched and I want to be found. Let me explain to you why. This is you on the left, the vendor with a product. You know what your product is, but your customers don't know, and your platform doesn't know. All the platform knows is that a lot of customers are searching for a word ABC, lowercase. That's what the platform knows. Unfortunately, as a first-time online shop owner, you don't know that a lot of people are searching for the word ABC, lowercase. So between you, the platform, such as Etsy, and your customers, all three entities are blind. You don't know what your customers are searching, and the customers don't know what you're providing because they can't see you. The platform doesn't know what you're selling, but the platform does know what people are searching, and that's the key. So if you just give a random keyword such as ABC, where A and B are capitalized and C is in lowercase, the platform still doesn't know what you're trying to do, even though we all know that ABC is probably ABC, but the platform is not sure. So the platform does not refer all the customers about your product. But if you do change your keyword to ABC, lowercase, then the platform instantly know that they should be showing those customers to your product. That's SEO work. SEO work means that you know what your customers are searching and adjust your search terms so that the platform knows that you want those customers. There are many ways for you to search what the customers are searching so that you can adjust your search word. There's a lot of ways that you can do it without spending a lot of money. Although everyone, including the SEO agencies, want you to spend a lot of money, such as monthly contracts. Don't do that.